Namaste dosto, welcome to episode 10 of the Adulting Podcast. My name is Anshika. This is my, once again, 10th time featured guest, Saurabh Garg.
Thank you.
And आज हम
I'm glad to be here, Anshika.
Listen, you have too much practice since we last recorded. I am not prepared for this.
And recovery.
And recovery. I'll put the stat here.
She forgot, but I haven't forgotten because
What?
I've recovered. The recovery joke.
I don't plan jokes, I talk.
Jokes are meant to be planted. By the way, for everybody who's watching the podcast, raspy voice. Somebody told me once that these great comedians, they plant their jokes in a way that every 1 minute
कल ही देखा है हम दोनों ने ये वीडियो 1 2 3rd is weird 1 2 3rd is weird.
नहीं मैंने नहीं देखा.
You become funny.
I don't know what video she's talking about. I haven't seen this.
I
video.
sent it to you.
I don't see shit that you sent me.
Oh.
How? TIL.
Shit.
TIL. I don't. Saurabh doesn't see the shit.
तभी हम grow नहीं हो रहे.
Where did you send it?
There's this comedian who's talking about her insights on comedy and she says that you are
Did you say
considered...
her?
Yeah.
Oh,
And...
record हो रहा है.
Oh God, Saurabh, so bad.
AK is so easy to
Oh God, so
derail.
bad.
चलो हाँ.
So, she says कि you're considered funny. People find you funny as a stat कि अगर तुम हर 1 मिनट में 1 laugh generate करते हो सामने वाले viewer से.
Oh wow.
And the easiest way for her to generate laughs is in normal everyday conversation, not when she's doing a set. But अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, she wants to come across as funny because that makes people like you and be more open to you and be more empathetic to you and be more comfortable around you. Is that you talk about say 3 things and the third thing is always weird. So I like Mumbai because it has vada pav, beaches and...
Anshika.
Shut up!
Yeah.
It was supposed to be a weird thing.
It's also called the rule of threes.
This is not the rule of threes.
This is one of the corollaries.
Rule of 3.8.
Blood, sweat and toil.
That is not...
Friends, Roman and countrymen.
अरे बट वो सारे सेम होते हैं ना ये भी सेम ही है बट उसमें थर्ड को तुम बस एक कंडीशनल
Because
फॉर्मेटिंग कर
human
देते
brain is weird to look for threes. I do not know why.
हो वायर्ड
Wired or whatever जो भी.
हाँ ठीक है
Weird and wired. चलो शुरू करते हैं. बहुत देर बकवास
हाँ
कर
हाँ
लेंगे.
हाँ ये
6
हमारा
मिनट
इंट्रो
बकवास
लोगों को पसंद आता है वैसे
पसंद आता है. उसके ड्रॉप ऑफ हो जाते हैं लोग. Have you seen the stats?
टाइम पास देख के निकल लेते हैं बट यस आज हम बात करेंगे सारा बताएंगे किस चीज के बारे में
Bro, I am the guest. This is where you ask me a
But you,
question and I
I
can
don't
answer.
have a question. Okay, I have one question for you.
Yes.
You
ask
watched
me.
the Berkshire Hathaway Annual General Meeting 2025 का some hours.
Yes, some of those videos.
Right? Full
God
video नहीं
bless
देखा
all.
आपने वो 5 hour
4
video
घंटे
था.
का है कैसे
5
देखूंगा?
का था.
और उसमें बहुत सारी मैथ की बातें होती है ना मेरे को नहीं आती है.
हाँ तो आपने जितना देखा है उसमें से what are some lessons you have for
I have
us
a lot
and
of
the
lessons,
world?
but I need my laptop for that because
Layout?
but I don't need laptop. I remember them. I remember them.
हाँ whatever is most I read somewhere that whatever no somebody told me whatever is most important to you will stay in your head. So don't panic about writing everything. I didn't take that advice but
So I'll start with advice. मेरा उस पे thought है, and this is by the way, मैं serious बात कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है? And I'll look at you and talk. I will assume there is no camera watching me, and I will talk the way I talk to my people in a raspy voice across a table. We are talking. Okay, here's the thing.
I have never sat across a table and talked to you. I just realized. Just feels like an office now.
फाइल नंबर 8 निकालो.
Continue.
खुशवादी फाइल नंबर 8 दीजिए.
Continue.
फाइल नंबर 8 लेना है आपसे.
Continue.
Okay, so here's the thing. When I was doing that note-taking nerdiness few
Yeah.
years ago, I realized I read this quote somewhere that the palest ink
हाँ.
is stronger than the best memory.
Yes.
What that implied was that if you write it down, you will remember it more. Or
Yeah.
that you will remember it longer
Yes.
and better. Now, once I got the advice, I started to take notes.
Yes.
And I took notes like a mad person. I wanted to say bitch, but then I realized decoding Draupadi, so I couldn't use that gendered.
So you just
thing.
put it here.
No, but I'm just
Letting me
saying.
know. Okay.
I'm just letting you know. This is FII. This is
Achha.
FII information. So like a person possessed. I can't even use madman because I could get sued by the Association of Mad People. So I said, there's a stand-up sketch on that.
Association of Mad People.
I'm sure there's also something like that. आजकल हर चीज़ association of dash. So, anyways,
Yeah.
like a man possessed. So I would take a lot of notes and a lot of notes to a point that I would have notepads and scrapbooks and postcards and post-its and I don't know what all spread all over my home, office, even Starbucks. I would put them on Starbucks and then I take them back obviously when I go back.
Yeah.
And then I realized that had a lot of advantages to be honest. And the advantages were that I suddenly could use my brain to process and not to memorize things. Like for example, it's a very, very common trope on these conversations that who cares if I ask you who was the 5th Prime Minister of India?
I don't know.
But there are people who take pride in knowing the 5th Prime Minister of
Right.
India. Who care about them? All this information is one Google search away
Yeah.
from us, and now one ChatGPT search away from us.
Right.
So there is no merit in remembering things unless you are in a profession that requires you to remember things. We are not in such professions. We have access to our notes, phones all the time. एक Google search किया सब कुछ आ जाएगा. Plus I've been able to use tools, plug in for a tool called NeoSapien. I'm friends with the guy, so please buy it and use the discount coupon code. We don't have one. We'll get one before the podcast goes live.
Dhananjay, I'll text you.
We'll text you.
Please
and
दे
we'll get a
देना.
coupon code. Coming back. तो याद करने का जरूरत नहीं है एक दैट्स अ पॉइंट सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट योर क्वेश्चन वाज मैं रैंडम रैंट पे चला गया
मेरा
हाँ वॉरेन बफेट हाँ ओके आई नो रिमेंबर
अच्छा ठीक है.
तो थिंग्स दैट आई रिकॉल फ्रॉम देयर एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आई रिकॉल फ्रॉम देयर आई विल टॉक अबाउट देम इन द in no order because I don't have an order.
Yeah.
First things first. So Warren sat next to Charlie for the longest times. Like I think their partnership is about 60 years long, if not more. Actually, no, I can tell you the exact numbers. Charlie was 35 when he first got in touch with Warren and they started working together. Charlie died at the age of 99. So they were together for 70 years, 60 years. कितना math कितना हुआ? 99 minus 35?
40, 50 पता नहीं दिमाग नहीं काम कर.
ये हमारा future है हमारा.
35, 4,
99 minus
64.
99 minus 35.
64.
So they were partners for 64 years.
Damn.
Not partners, they became partners somewhere around 14 and 52. I
But
could
they
be
knew
wrong,
each other.
but they were in connection with each other, and they worked together for so many years to build Berkshire Hathaway. And the biggest takeaway that I have from the 2025 annual general meeting, is that somebody on the door?
No,
That knock?
ऊपर से knock knock.
Okay, we'll come to you. Audience questions बाद में. So one of the things that I remember of this is that even though Charlie passed away a year ago, Warren continues to, I'll not say miss him, but continues to find his advice useful when he talks. I could not spot a single conversation wherein Warren did not bring up Charlie Munger. And when Charlie passed away, when Warren wrote that letter, he said that while I mean he didn't say that, but the takeaway for me was that while Warren is more famously known across the world, like if you go to your parents, you ask them who's Berkshire Hathaway, who's Warren Buffett, they would probably remember. But if you said who's Charlie Munger, they will not know who Charlie Munger is.
Yeah.
So Warren बोलता है कि I want Charlie to be remembered for being the chief architect of what Berkshire Hathaway is, and not me per se. And I was just a caretaker, manager, or whatever. He used a word, I forget the word. Some word he used, which was of the effect that I am only taking care of what Charlie built.
Yeah.
So, till date, Charlie continues to be a guiding light principle, something that he leans on, he talks often about. So, the first takeaway for you, especially for people in 20s, as you adult, is to find your Charlie. And if you can't find a Charlie, become somebody's Charlie. And what does this mean? I believe it's a very, very deep thought per se. मतलब खुद की बात खुद को deep बोलना काफ़ी आसान है. मतलब I like it. I like how I'm doing my तारीफ. एक नहीं चार्ली तेरा फोन बज रहा है शायद. I saw it blink up and blink down. That's our crew member, by the way. हमारा चपला
C crew है
हमारा C crew है. लोगों का भी हमारा C crew है. bro.
We're good. I'll ensure.
I'm sure. You better.
We trust you to pick it up.
There is no Diet Coke. मैं Diet Coke से. But will at some point in time you'll replace C crew. You'll replace a Diet Coke with a colder one. But not right now. Okay, coming back. So you become somebody's Charlie, or either you become a Charlie to somebody, or you find a Charlie. Now, what does it mean? It means one of many things and following things. You need to become that guiding light for you plus one to live their life with. So, for example, we are in a tough situation. तेरे को लगता है रिश्वत लेनी चाहिए, मेरे को लगता है रिश्वत नहीं लेनी चाहिए. Now, I want to become the guiding light for you to decide how you want to live our life. रिश्वत लेना ना लेना is a conversation that we can have together, but have it with somebody and do it for rest of your life. And this is where compounding kicks in. Today, Warren and Charlie are so thick not because of the first few years they spent together, but because of all the subsequent years that they're together. So the fruit of their friendship was probably achieved in the later parts of their friendship. You know how the graph goes. That. So build something together for long time. So that is one, when you become somebody's Charlie. Two, you push the other person to become a better person. So when I say that you're my Charlie, Anshika, what that means is that you have to tell me that Saurabh और अच्छा काम कर, और push कर, और better कर, और नया कर. You have to keep doing new things all the time. That's number two. Number three, you probably have complementary skills. In one of the videos that I saw today, Warren said that Charlie would read so much more. In fact, he uses one of those parables, stories. He says when somebody asks Charlie, who do you want to have? If you could get one guest for dinner, who do you get?
He said
Charlie says nobody, because I've already read and learned about everything that those people could teach, because I've read all their books and all their videos and all their interviews and so on and so forth. So I have nothing new to ask that person. I'm probably going to bask in the aura of them sitting next to me. So Charlie is somebody who's extremely deep. One of the things that Warren said about Charlie in the video is, Charlie says that you need to be investing into a business when you can argue against the investment as good as somebody who's arguing against you. Charlie is a super deep person. Warren says I'm not as deep as Charlie is. So they have this complementary skills per se. Look at Warren Buffett. He is obviously the public face of the business. Charlie Munger was never the public face. He was there, but he was not the public face.
Yep.
So that's complementary skills as well. So that's the third thing that you could do when you become somebody's Charlie. Fourth, you could give each other that cushion to fall. अगर वॉरेन ने गलती करी, Charlie should say कि मेरी गलती है, मैं मानता हूँ, मैं कर रहा हूँ. I'm not saying that the two of them did that, but in my head, when I say Charlie and Warren, that's what I believe could be the best way for young people to learn. So find somebody who gives you the cushion to make your mistakes. We often say that at C4E, that right at C4E, you will be given the highest platform to jump from and the softest cushion to land if you fail. That the way C4E does that for you, find an individual who does that for you. I mean, a lot of people who watch this content may or may not end up at C4E. C4E itself may take different shapes now that I'm not actively controlling it. But you need to find somebody who allows you to do that, allows you to give the highest shoulder and the softest cushion. Wow, what a line I found.
Yeah,
amazing.
I noted down to write
I love it. I love myself, bro.
Today.
I love myself, bro. And then you become somebody's Charlie. Don't find somebody who loves himself way too much than the podcast.
Don't make them your Charlie.
Don't make them your Charlie. Coming back. So ये 3-4 चीजें हैं. And then when you work on it, एक और जो मैंने छोटी सी सीखी, this I learned from Mihir, my latest Charlie candidate. Sorry, Mihir candidate है तो भी. So
He made that cute little meme for you.
yeah,
saw?
I know, I saw that. So what he implied was that what he said one of the days that अगर हम दो co-founder हैं तो हम दोनों को हर जगह पे हाथ पकड़े जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. We should have this inherent faith and trust into each other. So 1 + 1 should become 11, not 1 + 1 should not be 1. मतलब अगर मैं किसी से मिलने जा रहा हूँ, there is no need for me to get a Mihir next to me to meet that person. I can meet that person by myself, and Mihir can go and meet somebody else. So together we end up meeting more people, and then it's on us to inform, communicate, act on that information. So suddenly, luck surface area of you as a team goes up. So Saurabh and Mihir meeting somebody together will do X things, but Saurabh separately, Mihir separately could do far more than that.
Right.
X could become 20x, could become 5x, could become 2x, whatever.
Yeah.
So you expand that. So when you have a Charlie in life, you can expand that. सबसे important part, which I saved for the last, it was not in an order, but it came to me at this point in time, is that to become somebody's Charlie, those values have to match 100%. If you do not have the value match, you cannot be somebody's Charlie, or you cannot be a Charlie to somebody. And these values is something that you discover along the way. So if the two of you want to cheat all the time, you could be Warren and Charlie. Like think of Gabbar and Samba for that matter. I do not know if they were true stories or not. Think of Bonnie and Clyde, a fabled couple from the US, wherein they wanted to live life on the edge, and for doing that they were okay to kill and okay to cheat and okay to run and okay to do whatever the fuck they wanted to. Pardon my profanities. I decided to do that. I will not use profanities. Strike one for me. Coming back. So find values. Now, उसमें nuance here is that you need to know your values. I know my values fairly well. कि मतलब मैं आगे बढ़ने के लिए साम दाम दंड भेद कर सकता हूँ, मैं आगे बढ़ने के लिए झूठ बोल सकता हूँ, मैं आगे मतलब मैं अपनी वैल्यू नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. Oh, these are not sort of values. These are values. Example, Exhibit A. There could be somebody who says, okay, I'll give an example. Guru from the film Guru.
Yeah.
I mean, Guru from the film Guru. He says कि मेरे को बड़ा बनना था तो मैंने उसके लिए झुका, सलाम किया, रिश्वत ली, etc. And I became big. So you find your values, and your values could be सामदाम दंड भेद आगे बढ़ना है. Your values could be मुझे human race को आगे बढ़ाना है. उसके लिए जो रास्ते में आएगा उसको मैं तोड़ दूंगा. I will find a way or make one or whatever you want to call it. Your values could be मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना है, मेरे को नेचर में जिंदा रहना है, मेरे को अपने फूल पत्तियों के साथ खेलना है और मेरे लिए वो वैल्यू इंपॉर्टेंट है. Or your value could be something else altogether. So find your values, spot your values, and try to find people who have similar values, and you need to not mistake values for skills. So Warren and Charlie would have the same values. One of the values that they talk very highly about is trust. One of your questions should be about trust. I'll come to that in a bit. But while the values that they share was trust and long-term thinking and compounding and letting people do their jobs, but they had very different skills from each other. So skills and values are often used interchangeably by people, especially young people, but they're two very very different things. Values का alignment चाहिए, skills का alignment नहीं चाहिए. That's where the best.
Are you very sure कि skills का alignment नहीं होना चाहिए?
I'm not saying नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं होगा तो चलेगा. Think of it like that.
हाँ.
You could be okay. Think of a typical startup, the world that we live in today. Startups mandate tech-enabled startups it is advisable to have a tech co-founder, a marketing co-founder, a business co-founder.
Right.
So if you have 3 people of tech marketing business background, the startup is more likely to succeed. That's what common wisdom says. Now, if you have only 3 techies, probably you will miss out on the marketing piece. You'll probably miss out on the business piece. You'll probably miss out on something else. So the entire idea here is, I'm not saying that ये मत करो, but ये होगा तो बढ़िया होगा.
समझा.
And by the way, that reminds me, disclaimer. Then we should put on to every podcast that we do, that whatever I say is not general purpose advice. It may work for some people, it may not work for some people. It probably will. It has worked for me. It probably will work for people who spend their lives and times with me. But for the general people at large, it may or may not work. So be very very sure about blinded advice नहीं लेने का अपने को. So that is my biggest takeaway. In fact, there's a video on the internet. You can link on it.
Yeah.
Wherein there's this compilation of Warren Buffett sitting next to Abel, the new person who runs Bucket from here on. Wherein he often goes to him and says, "Charlie, you want to add something?" And there's no Charlie.
Oh yeah, right.
It is the most sad video in the world because obviously Warren misses Charlie like that. And it is such an endearing video as well that he cannot get over the fact that Charlie will be omnipresent next to me for as long as I'm alive. Now that is fucking partnerships that make you the richest man in the world and men in the world. So that is what is Warren and Charlie for me. And yeah, that's the first answer.
Follow-up question. अभी आपने बोला कि if you're young, you're 20, find your values. And find somebody who shares those values with you, make them your Charlie and Warren equation, whatever, right? पर लोगों का value at 20s evolves, right? And maybe you don't even know what your values are. You're still learning what your values are, correct? What do you do then? Because maybe say I know my values are this today, and when you're young, it changes super fast also. And then maybe you found Warren Charlie situation, and then your values changed, and then you are different people, and so on and so forth. I know कि तुम साथ में भी grow कर सकते हो in one direction, but what if you don't do that?
तो इसमें मेरा थोड़ा how do I put it? I have the answer. I'm trying to find the qualifier for it. थोड़ा weird answer है, and I'm often not keen on taking such sweeping statements, hot takes, generalizations, which is as follows that तुम्हारी value ना same ही रहती है जिंदगी भर, value change नहीं होती तुम्हारी.
Okay.
मतलब एक पैराबल है, मतलब कुछ बोलते हैं ना कि मनी डजंट बिल्ड कैरेक्टर, मनी रिवील्स योर कैरेक्टर, पावर डजंट बिल्ड कैरेक्टर, पावर रिवील्स योर कैरेक्टर. ऐसा कुछ इंग्लिश होती है, मुझे एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता क्या होती है, बट ऐसे
मल्टीप्लाई
सम शिट लाइक दैट. अगर तुम रूड हो तो पैसा आएगा तो और रूड हो जाओगे तुम, ऐसा कुछ होता है. आई डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट लाइन टू इट, बट दैट्स वेयर इट इज. नाउ माय थॉट हियर इज एज फॉलोज कि तुम्हारी वैल्यूज जो होती है ना वो बन जाती है बचपन से, मतलब फ्रॉम द टाइम यू आर अ किड टू 20 पे तो वैल्यू सुपर सॉलिड हो जाती है मेरे हिसाब से. इट्स ओनली अबाउट देन चिपिंग ऑन दी एजेस. मतलब वो होता है ना हीरा की, मतलब हीरा बना हुआ है उसको तुम्हें शार्पन करना है, रफ अराउंड दी एजेस बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, रफ डायमंड, सम शिट लाइक दैट. तो एक लुक एट यू फॉर एग्जांपल, यू 22 23 व्हाटएवर एज यू आर एट नाउ. इमेजिन यू वुड हैव सर्टेन वैल्यूज. यू वुड हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ काइंडनेस, यू वुड हैव वैल्यू ऑफ trust, you would have value of community, you would have value of living your life on your terms, argument's sake. Now that could manifest in a different way. The manifestation could be that you will take people for a ride. Manifestation could be that you will want to not do things that you don't like. So तुम्हारे values मेरे हिसाब से बने हुए होते हैं. मुझे नहीं पता कि तुम values को teach कर सकते हो कि नहीं कर सकते हो. You can be made aware कि तेरे value को दुनिया में कैसे manifest होने वाला है. I'll give an example. Wait, allow me to give an example. I grew up with the value of ambition. मतलब मुझे याद नहीं है, आई डोंट रिमेंबर लॉट ऑफ माई चाइल्डहुड, अर्ली चाइल्डहुड, बट मुझे याद है जब मैं 19-20 साल का था, जब मैं कॉलेज में था, फर्स्ट कॉलेज में था मैं, वो टाइम पे मेरे कॉलेज में आई यूज्ड टू लाइक इफ यू आस्क मी मेरे को क्या करना है लाइफ में, आई वुड से कि ब्रो मेरे को लाइफ में ना आई वांट टू बी द रिचेस्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग इन द वर्ल्ड बैक इन द डे. एंड आई सेड उसके लिए मैं कुछ भी करेगा, मतलब साम दाम दंड कुछ भी करेगा. फ्रॉम देयर ऑन, फ्रॉम बीइंग द रिचेस्ट मैन इन द वर्ल्ड, साम दाम दंड, द वैल्यू हैज चेंज टू बिकमिंग more accessible, opening more doors. So money was not what I was chasing. Ambition was still there. Ambition was manifested in money shape. Now my ambition is manifested in the shape of access or openness or people or learning or whatever. So the word ambition has not changed for me.
Understood.
Ambition has stayed.
It looks different for you now.
Manifestation of that has changed.
Understood.
Similarly, ambition.
And you also probably don't understand ना कि तुम्हें ambition का ये वाला सही लगता है, ये वाला अच्छा लगता है, ये वाला अच्छा लगता है.
Like for example, I've always chased freedom. मतलब freedom to different people could mean different things. For me, freedom it looked like कि मैं बाइक पे जा रहा हूँ, बाइक चला रहा हूँ और मैं घूम रहा हूँ, la all of that. This is brought to you by Ayush from Notice and C4E.
Hello Ayush, thank you Ayush.
Ayush will not see this. Ayush, if you're seeing this podcast, send me a secret code which is 34340.
3434
0.
343470. 343470.
Ayush, that's a code. If you're seeing this, if you're not seeing this, then you know you're not seeing it. Anyways, coming back.
Yeah.
So मेरे लिए freedom का मतलब था कि मैं बाइक पे एक लंबी रोड पे घूम रहा हूँ और बिल्कुल बाइक चला रहा हूँ, बाल हवा में उड़ रहे हैं मेरे, बाल तो नहीं है, but हवा में कुछ उड़ रहा है. And today the freedom has changed into that I want to live each minute of my time the way I want to. I don't want to be clocking in my thumb somewhere. I don't want to be at the mercy of a boss or a time sheet or a time clock, even though it's needed because of certain reasons or whatever. I have the freedom to not do it. Even in my business, let's say C4E or Meru or whatever else I do, I will mandate कि तुम्हें जाके अंगूठा लगाना है. But I would have that little extra edge over other people saying कि मैं अंगूठा नहीं लगा रहा हूँ, तुम लगा लो. But once we reach a very large space and somebody else controls me, I will probably have to do that. And then it will probably change into something else altogether. So freedom as a value was always there. But the manifestation of that has changed into multiple ways. Exploration as a value was around. It was travel at a point in time. Then it became books at a point in time. Then it became storytelling at a point. So you know, there is multiple values that I had, just a manifestation change. So that's my hot take on values. That values बनाते नहीं हो, होती है, उसके बाद तुम्हारा जीवन में explore करते रहते हो तुम.
Okay. I have a question. Is it then true कि तुम्हें अपना values identify करने में time लगता है? For example,
यार
समझ नहीं आता कि ये value को ये बोलते हैं.
मैं उल्टा बोलता हूँ अगर तुम्हें identify नहीं हो रही है, तो you know what, find elder folks who can look at like okay. I was articulating the answer. So the answer is as follows: you meet somebody who's a little more evolved than you, and they will be able to tell you your values in like 5 conversations. You give me a person. Okay, thought experiment. Throw me a Twitter handle of a person that we know of. I mean, don't do this on the podcast because I don't want to do public assassination of characters. तेरा नहीं करेंगे because that will be assassination. You may kill me. कोई चक्कू को पड़ा क्या आसपास?
No.
I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you. कोई knife तो नहीं पड़ा कि तू बता that. No, so hang on. I'll come back to your throw somebody's Twitter handle and you can look at their tweets and you can decode the values of this channel.
Oh, ये ChatGPT से करके देखते हैं.
उससे कर लो, but I'm saying ये तो दिखता है मुझे, मतलब there are people, उनका tweet देखोगे ना, तो उनके tweets में सिर्फ बात हो रही है कि मेरे को मेरे बॉस ने मेरी तारीफ करी, मेरी माँ ने मेरी तारीफ करी, मेरे बॉयफ्रेंड ने मेरी तारीफ करी. So very clearly the value is of a certain, they hold a certain value. एक इंसान बोल रहा है, अभी मैंने ट्वीट पढ़ाने से पहले I was reading a tweet wherein somebody said that when you order something on Zepto, keep the app open because each time you keep the app open, they call the Google API and Google charges them. So you penalize Zepto for whatever. Now that shows me the value of that person. By the way, that person's name is Saurabh. Like not me, some other Saurabh. मेरे नाम को खराब कर रहा है वो इंसान. That shows me your value. कि भाई तुम्हारी value बहुत ही clear है. There are people who will tell you how to game systems. मतलब there are WhatsApp groups that you're part of. Somebody says कि मेरे पास ChatGPT है. Please will you? I'm willing to share it with 5 people.
Oh yes, I've seen those at some cost.
I obviously share my ChatGPT with my friends. My Claude is accessible to Drishti, but I don't do it from the intent of cheating. I do it from the intent of optimizing my resources. Now it's a thin line between cheating and optimizing resources, but the way you say and how you say and with the frequency with which you say says a lot about you. The other day on one of the WhatsApp groups we're part of, we were talking about laziness. Now the responses of people are telling me कि तू lazy है कि नहीं है. I mean, look at what you've written and you will know your answer. You don't need somebody else to tell you कि तुम lazy हो कि नहीं हो. That is what that is how visible the values are. When you go for a meetup, after this you have to go to a meetup, you will be able to spot people and the way they interact. Like you know, the other day I went to a meetup of some people. I will not describe the meetup details. There were 30 people and there was this one person who sat down and said, okay, ये bill है, तुमने एक कोक पी है 40 रुपया, तुमने पिज्जा का 2 slice खाया है 15 रुपया. Dude, who does that? I mean, you could be the poorest person in the room, but what is that? I mean, that tells me that your value is of righteousness. I'm not cringing at it. I'm not saying it's a bad value. The value probably is righteousness. The value is fairness, but the manifestation of that could be in a munim manner. You understand?
हाँ.
So I'm not judging it. I'm not saying bad. It's a good thing. I'm not that at all. But my values are not that. My values
Right.
are सबका है, कुटुंब है, मतलब मेरा और सबका है. Correct? That's my value. My value is that if in fact Warren Buffett की वीडियो में आज अभी मैंने सुबह पढ़ा, one of the videos that he talks about, he says somebody asks him कि I forget the question. Wait, I'll articulate the question. Somebody asks him, what message would you pass on to somebody? The answer was as simple as that if you're lucky, help the ones who are unlucky. That was it. And when I say lucky, what he means obviously is that he's won ovarian lottery. Warren talks about the fact that he was born in the US and that is half the battle won because अच्छी हवा, opportunity, capitalism, money,
Good times back then.
right?
Yeah.
हमारे case में we are probably a tad lower than Warren Buffett, but we are far higher than somebody born in sub-Saharan Africa in a tribe wherein there is no opportunity per se. So I'm lucky today. AK Saurabh की बात कर, I'm talking of Saurabh now. This Saurabh right now. I'm Saurabh on Twitter. I'm super lucky to have born in the way, in the times with my parents, in my family, and I have all the things I've done. I've been lucky in life. Now it is my right, not right. Wait, it is my fundamental duty to support others who are not lucky. So when I mean by not lucky is that अभी SOG grant की बात करते हैं. Like somebody wrote into me saying that he wants to run some coding experiment and he needs $140 a month to do that. $140 is 10,000 rupees. AK, when was the last time you thought about 10,000 rupees? Like for me, 10,000 rupees is a big number. I don't care. I mean, I care for it, but for that one kid that is far more important than it to me.
Yeah,
so I'm lucky to not think too much about 10,000 rupees, and that kid is unlucky to be thinking so much about 10,000 rupees. So it's my duty to support that kid, bro. Like I have to support that fucking kid. Not fucking kid. Pardon my language. To that kid. So that is value. The value that I have is of. By the way, 3 strike हो गया, मैं बीच में गाली दी थी. You didn't notice.
I didn't notice.
My value is attention to detail. No, that's not a value. I'm fucking with you. Oh, strike 4. You didn't miss. You missed that also. I can play AK. Sorry, I was trying to play AK on camera, on live on camera.
Shit.
That's you, not me.
I'm counting yours only.
But I didn't use the SHATE word. Anyways, next question.
नहीं मेरा follow-up नहीं है, concluding statement है. When Adi sir came for my guest lecture in my college, he was talking about values and somebody asked, what are values? And he said, values are your actions.
Actions, okay.
Your actions show what your values are.
Okay.
For example, he said कि somebody's value could be being excited about new ideas. Like, I don't know what the term for that is, but being excited about new ideas or chasing novelty, chasing new exciting thing, whatever, right? And उसका manifestation could be कि अच्छा मैंने तुमको बोला कि ये new cool चीज़ try करो, ये possible है. Say I said कि ChatGPT से values ढूंढना try करते हैं. That's the first thing that came to my mind because exploring a new possibility is perhaps one of my values. So that act of wanting to do it or doing it right then and there is what a value is. A value is not honesty.
That's okay. Point
But
me.
the value is in the doing.
Okay. The point me question.
What is your thought on that? कि values are basically your actions.
Okay, so A because
Value is something which you can always act upon.
ठीक है, fair.
ये था statement.
I may not agree, but ये आदि सर ने बोला है तो मेरी थोड़ी फट रही है उसको disagree करने में because I respect him a lot and he knows more than me.
Yeah.
My thought is not that. My thought is not action. My thought is, for me, the values are guardrails that you will live your life with. That's values for me. So, for example, तुम रोड पे जा रहे हो, तुम्हें 500 रुपये पड़े हुए मिले हैं एंड तुम्हें दिख रहा है, और वेट नहीं पड़े हुए नहीं मिले, तुम रोड पे जा रहे हो, तुम्हारे आगे एक आदमी जा रहा है, उसकी तरफ 500 रुपये गिर गए. नाउ व्हाट वुड यू डू? गार्डरेल इज व्हाट एक्शन नहीं है, वो गार्डरेल है.
Give it to them. Tell them.
Guardrail क्या है? Will I keep it? Will I not keep it? Will I give it to somebody else?
Understood.
To me, it is guardrail. It is not action. That's to me. That's sort of.
Understood.
And then to each, to different people, it could be different thing. But मेरे केस में वो guardrail है. आदि सर के केस में वो action हो सकता है. And like I said, there's a fuzzy thing to it. It's not a physics question wherein answer has to be 1 + 2 = 2. It is a fuzzy thing. So मेरे केस में guardrail है. तुम्हारे केस में action हो सकता है. But for me, it is guardrail.
Okay.
Like yeah, that's it. I can say more. So by the way, this is an exhibition of a value. It's not an action. It is my
Yeah.
guardrail.
Key?
One of my values is do unto others that you would want them to do. So if I am somebody, if I told somebody कि मैं तेरे घर आने वाली हूँ, I would be like, I would love it if they check with me कि भाई तू क्यों आया, मर तो नहीं गया रास्ते में.
Correct.
So that. Now it could be action also. You're right. It could be action. But for me,
ये
it is
action ही
guardrail.
तो है.
For me, it's guardrail. मतलब
Okay,
action
in your head you've thought
value
about
could be in action also, na yaar. Then you can argue that the act of not doing is also an act.
Yeah.
So, but for me it's guardrail, to be honest.
ये मैंने नया सबसे पहली अच्छी चीज मैंने सुबह में सीखी थी कि not taking a decision is also a decision.
Yeah.
Not taking any action is also
Like
an
I can throw this on Chandni's face right now, but I choose to not throw it.
and that is
That's also action.
action, yes.
But I was throwing in the direction it may land on Chandni's face.
Okay. अब हम आते हैं आपके second learning पे from the annual general meeting today. Yesterday.
और इतनी लर्निंग हो तो गई.
आपने बोला ना बहुत सारी
तेरी,
हैं.
हाँ.
पहला था
So, okay,
कि
Mr.
40
मंगर पहला था कि अपना मंगर ढूंढ लो.
हाँ.
मंगर ढूंढ लो. शादी मंगर ढूंढ लो and then आगे चलते
You
हैं.
mentioned trust is also something you want.
Trust. So yeah, trust is a super important thing. In fact मेरा आज का सुबह का hot take है कि as we go in life, ये मैंने पता नहीं कहाँ लिखा है, Twitter पे लिखा है कि blog पे लिखा है, कहीं तो लिख दिया मैंने ये. ढूंढ लो.
सुबह का hot take.
हाँ, hot take है bro ये कि in the times that will come, that will land upon us in the next few years. Apart from taste, the other currency that will become important is trust. And trust manifests into every damn thing. So, for example, when you call a customer care, do you trust that customer care person to be a bot or a person? Do you, when you order something from Swiggy, Zomato, whatever, do you trust them to have the right Diet Coke and not the nutty Diet Coke? Example, trust could be if I tell Meghna that मैं तेरा घर पे wait कर रहा हूँ 4 बजे, whatever, XYZ. Am I there at 4 at home when she's coming? And do I trust her to come at 4 or not come at 4:30? Argument's sake. So trust will become a super important variable going forward. When you know all these digital scams are happening for elders, wherein they call and say, "Beta, आपका बेटा trouble में है, पैसे दो."
Yes, yeah.
Somebody I know very well, very closely fall into that scam.
Yeah.
And it is a trust wala conversation, bro. She trusted a voice. So trust will become a super important thing. In fact, we should do this. Chandni, we should do this. We should create multiple passwords. Like when I call you and I have to call you for something very critical. Let's say I have to call you for, I don't know, taking money. I should say I should have a password. Password is something that only you and I know. So for example, the password could be rich पैसे चाहिए.
हम podcast पे password discuss कर रहे हैं,
बंदा
which
दिया
only
बंदा
you and I know.
मैंने दिया बंदा है.
We would use this version.
Understood.
And my bet, okay, here's a bet. I don't think people will reach to this point of the podcast. If you know the password, comment the password in the comments, and I'll give you 1 rupee.
1 rupee.
अरे इतना ही खाते हैं.
Brownie points.
Brownie points.
Yes.
Okay, everybody who comments the password in the comments for the next 24 hours, I'll put all their names in a raffle, and whoever wins gets 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. But I need to have 100 comments. Trust. Okay, bad joke. Bad thought experiment. Think of it as trust. Oh, that reminds me. I had to give March tea coupons to people. Fuck, remind me.
Oh yeah, you were giving coupons.
Chandi,
Right.
I forgot.
I haven't
Fuck बोला
expired
मैंने.
now.
Fuck बोला मैंने.
Oh yeah.
I'm on direct line with Marchi now, so I can tell them to renew it. So sponsored by Marchi. I'll write into Marchi and say sponsor कर दो इसको भी. So we have 2 sponsors now, Music Pain and March. So
And notice also.
notice अपना घर का आदमी है.
हाँ तो क्या?
Notice लिख ले चल. तीनों को लिख देंगे हम. March. Coming back. So trust is going to be a very important thing as we go along in life, and trust will manifest itself into multiple ways, from tools, objects, people. Everything will have a trust component to it. In fact, whoever can emerge to be trustworthy in a long term with taste will probably have an edge over the entire world. So if you want to do something well for yourself, you have to be able to build trust for yourself. And how do you do that? Obviously, consistency. We've spoken about it. We have an entire video on trust. You can plug
Right.
it. You can plug the link here.
Yeah.
But you can do consistent behavior, all of that. जो भी तुम्हें करना है कर लो.
ठीक है. हाँ समझ गया. चलो. Next point.
So आगे. हाँ आगे. That's okay. Fans लोग हैं. Fan लोग से बाद में बात करेंगे.
ठीक है. Third lesson.
Okay.
The video.
People. Okay, third lesson, people. One of the videos that I loved, it's a very short video. It's a 2-minute long video. No, it's actually a long video, but it's a very small segment.
Yeah.
Warren says, and I could be wrong, and Chandni, you can correct that. Warren says that I didn't set out to build an institution. I wanted to hang out with people, and I didn't want those people to present to me data that I wanted to see. I want them to do whatever they wanted to do. So people is an important thing, and often people, and to me it is more of a validation of what I often say, that all I have is people and nothing else. मतलब life में और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. So the point is that do whatever it takes to be with people and take care of them. And even though, like for example, I am somebody who loves to have my own space. I don't like people coming into my house. I don't like people pressurizing me. I don't like people lying to me. And yet I'm okay to go the extra mile to take care of people. So the thought here is very, very simple. You need to find a way to find your people metric and invest into people, because people से ही दुनिया बढ़ती है, दुनिया आगे जाती है. इनफैक्ट वरुण ने बोला in one of the videos he says, मतलब when I say one of the videos, by the way, what they've done is they've taken the entire 5-hour 4-hour conversation, broken into small segments, small videos, and they uploaded those. So I haven't seen the entire 5-hour chat. I've only seen some videos and snippets. So on people, whatever you have is because of people. Like I'm sitting in your house, and the fact that there is this faith and confidence and trust between the two of us to be able to do that. People who are watching this, I want them to watch this with good faith कि अगर मैं कुछ crass joke crack कर रहा हूँ, तो it's not me, it's just me. It's me, but I don't mean it. So that faith is in people. If I want to run a big business, while there is machines and AI that will do the business, but I still need those people at the end of it. I do not know what will happen in the next, say, 100 years. I do not know what will happen in the next 5 years. Maybe in 5 years, all people will get replaced by AI. I don't know that. But today, people is going to be an important component, and build that in the best way possible. And if for that, you have to let go of some of your, not ego, some of your operating systems, do that. So for example, what example do I give you? I don't enjoy wearing clothes. I mean, I clearly am wearing clothes, but what I mean by that is I don't like to wear pants. I like to wear shorts, and then I like to wear comfortable clothes. Okay, that's a better articulation. I love wearing comfortable clothes. Sorry about that. I'm not a nudist, but there are times and occasions where I have to dress up for the occasion. So I'm wearing a shirt because I had to meet one of my mentors today at his house. और obviously उनके घर जाऊँगा तो मैं ऐसा भिखारी बनकर नहीं आ सकता. But when I go to meet somebody at a meetup, I'm okay to be भिखारी, even though I know that I'll be the oldest man in that meetup and there'll be a lot of young people, a lot of energy. I'm okay to be a hobo when I meet those people because that's a conversation like that. But when I meet an investor, I want to be taking care of myself in a little manner. Well, I've been a shorts fan. I don't know if you can see the shorts or not in the frame.
Do you have pants in your bag?
No, I don't have pants.
Were you meeting him in shorts?
हाँ, उनके घर पे I can wear shorts. But if he was taking me to some other third party that I didn't know, I would wear shorts. So I am undoing my nature to be on the right side of people. So it's okay to do that often, but don't do it to a point of losing your individuality. So if I am supposed to wear, if I'm expected to wear pants every day, probably it will not happen unless I feel the need to grow out of it. Unless I feel the need to grow into it. Because as a kid, I wore a lot of pants as a kid यार. मतलब वो तो भी पिछले 4 साल में 5 साल में कोविड के बाद से मैं ऐसा shorts वाला नहीं, actually I was shorts वाला इंसान for 10 events के time से.
On your graduation days also you were not.
I wore pants, I didn't wear shorts.
हाँ मतलब you had your evolution, your manifestation has developed.
Yeah,
of the value of the what you wear clothes.
So fun fact, at the time when I was graduating, everybody wore that, I don't know what it's called. That cape. Choga, sab.
Graduation cape.
There's a word for it. I don't know what the word is. But there's a word for it. There's a dress for it. It's called something. Whatever. So everybody wore that. I wore that for exactly 3 minutes when I had to get my diploma from Sunil Bharti Mittal. I don't know who came to give my diploma. And moment I was out of it, bro. And there are pictures of me. एक picture is मैं उस चोगे में हूँ, and बाकी सब pictures में मैं एक grey t-shirt और loose pants में घूम रहा हूँ मैं. So that's me.
Nice.
And yeah. Anyways, digress हो गए. So people is a important metric. So coming back, I'll just recap. Charlie, trust, people. ये 3 चीजें बात करें.
We also have a video on being in the business of people and
plug that
people
video.
well.
Cheers to
We'll put it here.
Cheers to Charlie.
Yes. Charlie, people and trust. Charlie, trust and people are 3 things we've covered so far.
Okay, 4th thing. I'm thinking, what else do I do? Okay, 4th thing. So in all these 4-5 videos, not 4-5, actually a lot more. I spent 3 hours today in the morning from 8:30 to 10:30 to watch.
You covered a lot there.
And thinking about those videos.
Yeah.
No, I didn't cover because एक वीडियो को 2 बार देखा, फिर दूसरा वीडियो देखा मैंने. मतलब I didn't see.
You did your
I meandered on the internet while I was doing that. So I saw old videos. I read one of his reports. I spent 3 hours with Warren Buffett's mind today. So the other thing that I recall that is fresh in my head is that the entire time the dude is witty AF. मतलब उसका अगर मेरे को, like I put this on Twitter also, that if I can get a fraction of his wit I would have considered myself successful. So I do not know how to grow wit. I am not the funny man at all. In fact, my jokes end up offending more people than they give them laughters. So wit is one thing that I pick up. But I didn't want to talk about wit right now. I want to talk about something else. So the things that stand out for me are wit and kindness. Each line that he says, each thing he says, reeks of kindness and kindness towards other people. And I do not know. I mean, some people are. When I was reading comments, in the comments they were saying कि ये तो fake है, ये तो चोर है, ये तो capitalist है. All sorts of people exist in the world. But I refuse to believe how a person like that could conduct himself with that kind of dignity and that kind of kindness and that kind of consistency for so many years. Warren Buffett has been in public eye since he was, I don't know, 30, 35, whatever that age he started at. And to be able to do that for 60 years, it's not funny, especially in this day and age when each word that you say could be scrutinized for deeper meanings. In fact, I was seeing a video of this Sepcot. सीक्रो जरा गूगल करना सेपकॉट को SEPCOT.
Michael Sepcot?
No. It's a high security prison in.
Epcot.
ऐसा कुछ है prison है कुछ.
High security prison in.
Prison in South America.
Oh
Prescott,
yeah.
Sepcot.
Something.
CECOT?
Something ऐसा कुछ है. तो उसमें कैमरा भी अलाउ नहीं होते. So you know what they do when these documentaries are made? It's not Sepcot, something else. जो भी है.
They don't allow cameras
But they don't allow
inside the
anything
prison.
inside. So when they made documentaries, they were saying that those inmates will mouth those words to reveal, to send a secret message to their friends and family.
I don't understand.
तो उन्हें बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
बात करते करते I tap my finger in Morse code. Somebody
Yeah,
could be
yeah.
looking at it and they could get the message. While talking to you, when there's silence, I could mouth
Yeah.
that. So they do that to send messages out from that high security prison. Now, the
But
point is
there's no cameras inside.
the documentary. When they make the
inmates must
documentary,
not
when
be
they make documentaries,
Oh.
I'll send the link.
Then the inmates must also not
जरा
be
देना
safe
लैपटॉप
inside.
अभी लाइव करना पड़ेगा.
Or
अब
be
तेरे को
taken
चाहिए,
care
चाहिए.
of.
अब तेरे को चाहिए.
Yeah.
कोर्ट नहीं. Prison high. For the record, laptop broken है. High
I know.
security. आएगा. चलो अगला क्वेश्चन पूछो. I can multitask bro.
नहीं आपको ही कंटिन्यू करना है. मेरे पास सवाल नहीं है.
क्वेश्चन क्या था?
Kindness की बात कर रहे हैं हम. That Warren
हाँ,
is so
okay. So
witty and kind.
correct. तो उसमें क्या था ना, एल साल्वाडोर में है, मिल गया मेरे को. आई एम सो कूल. आई लव इट. आई लव माई सेल्फ.
We've talked about this.
It's Seacot only. Chandni was correct. Sorry, Chandni. So Seacot. I mean, coming on. So that's, by the way, that's also a thing. That's why you don't need to remember things, because I can Google. I can find. I need to remember lessons. So
Yeah.
So anyways, we digressed. I don't know where we digressed, but the point here is that I'm saying that it is impossible and inhuman for somebody to fake kindness and grace for so long, the way Warren Buffett has done. So to me, the lesson I'm taking away is kindness, and I want to be able to live my life like that. In fact, adulting pro max थोड़ा deep conversation हो जाएगा. As I grow up in life, when I grow old in life, I realize that probably all the other things that I want in life don't matter much as being able to spend each day with 100% happiness and 100% engagement means to me. That is it. I don't care about a lot. I mean, I want to have money, I want to have freedom, I want to have raspy voice, and I want to be able to, I want to be able to like he mentioned about Charlie, that both Charlie and I love to have a podium. I would love to have a podium which is large enough to address a large gathering without losing my head over it. But I would love to live my life in a way wherein I'm not yelling at somebody. Nobody's taking me for a ride. मैं ठीक से बात कर रहा हूँ, इज्जत से बात कर रहा हूँ, लोगों का ध्यान रख रहा हूँ, लोगों का ध्यान रख रहे हैं. And that is my way of making the world into a better place. So lesson for adulting is, while your ambition and life and ego and tantrums and everything as a young person is okay, what is not okay is not living life full of kindness and life full of grace. In fact, that's a skill you can grow into. It may not be a value that you have imbibed into. As I was telling Anshika the other day, that all the rich kids inherently learn the art of manipulation, which could be a negative thing in a lot of cultures. But I'm saying if you have learned that art of manipulation, use that for good things.
Yeah.
Instead of using that to fuck around with people, I strike okay, with people, you could use it to deliver goods. And yeah, that's the
right.
answer. So kindness and grace is what I will also take from Warren
I
Buffett.
have a question
Apart from wit.
on
हाँ,
this. You just said कि you might not grow with kindness, but it is a value that you can grow into. How so?
Okay, let me go back a few steps. Let's say you came from a difficult childhood wherein your parents would beat you up, and I don't know, you grew up in a correction center or whatever. I don't know, man. Like you had a very, very tough childhood wherein the world was rough to you. Now, when you're growing up, you probably are sore to the world. Ki, what the fuck happened to me? Why did I grow up like that? Why this? Why me? Why not other people? All that thing would happen to you. I saw you take a strike. I can peripheral vision, bro.
I know.
तो now that's one way to grow in life कि मेरे साथ दुनिया ने खराब क्यों किया, मैं क्यों, like why me? That's one. And then two, you could channelize that and say, okay, life was bad to me. Can I not make life better for other people? And great example is a guy called I forget the name. He'll come to me. I'll be damned if I get the name right. Fuck, I can't get the name right. Chandi, jara Google karna Vijay Verma.
Vijay Verma?
Let's see if I
The
get it
actor?
right. No. Okay, while Chandi Googles, let's see Googles. वो था उसके क्या नाम है उसका जो रोगनी पॉडकास्ट में कैरेक्टर होता है ना जो गूगल करता रहता है साथ में.
हाँ, right.
तो मिस्टर इंडिया की बात कर रहा था. There's a film called मिस्टर इंडिया wherein अनिल कपूर plays a role. उसका नाम क्या? अरुण वर्मा. विजय वर्मा. अरुण वर्मा तो लॉयर था वो.
It's an actor.
I don't.
नहीं, look for मिस्टर इंडिया विकिपीडिया. मिस्टर इंडिया विकिपीडिया.
Anil Kapoor का character in Wikipedia.
सी गुरु का काम थोड़ा स्लो है.
This was a fun thing
हमारा-
to have.
Shekhar Kapoor.
शेखर को डायरेक्टर है बेटा. अनिल कपूर का नाम क्या
Arun
है?
Verma.
अरुण वर्मा. I was right.
Oh.
You said Vijay Verma and
But
Anil
then I said
Kapoor.
Arun
Anil
Verma
Verma.
also, na?
He said Arun Verma also. He did.
And by the way, fun fact, his name is Arun Verma in one more film. Can you find out? Charlie, that's task for you. Anil Kapoor is called Arun Verma in one more film.
हाँ, point पे आते हैं. Arun Verma in Mr.
He
India.
jumped.
Well done, Mr. Girl, not you. तुमने गूगल किया है. मुझे तो याद था.
Well done, Mr. Garg, not you.
What is Anil Kapoor's name in Tezab? ये तो easy गूगल कर लेगी ये तो. Anyways, not important.
Right though.
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
We went into a different tangent as we always do. Coming
हाँ,
back, क्या था
अच्छा.
question? I'll answer the question.
How do you
हाँ,
grow
Mr. India.
into kindness, Mr. India?
So
Arun
I was
Verma?
giving example that you had a very, very tough childhood, and
Yeah.
then growing up you could have multiple paths to take on. Path number one, Chandi, I know you found the answer, but ठीक है. Mahesh Deshmukh. Is it Mahesh Deshmukh? She hasn't found.
You're just throwing questions that you know the answers to, then
So
checking
like,
if you know it correct or
It
not.
is Mahesh. One second. Yeah, Mahesh only. Mahesh.
Mahesh Deshmukh है वो.
Yes.
Only नहीं.
Mahesh only.
Yes.
Mahesh
Yes.
Deshmukh.
Mahesh.
A.K. Munna.
Mahesh Munna.
Munna is his nickname.
Munna is what I found.
Oh, so cute.
Anyways, मुन्ना क्यूट नहीं है. तड़ी पार करते हैं तो उसको नाम मुन्ना कर देते हैं.
Oh,
And there's a
random side gossip.
There's a dialogue that says
What?
जब इंसान पैदा होता है तो वो मुन्ना नहीं होता है, वो महेश देशमुख पैदा होता है. वो हालात उसको मुन्ना बना देते हैं. ऐसा कुछ डायलॉग
What
है.
is Munna though? Munna is
Like Munna
bad.
is nickname
It's his,
that he got in a jail.
Yeah, that name. अरे Anil Kapoor's mother, she lives here. थोड़ा आगे लोकलवाला में.
उसकी
She
माँ
died recent. Yesterday she died.
निर्मल
I
कपूर.
don't know what her name is. She died yesterday, and there were like tens of cars outside her house. वो back road पे.
Oh,
And
Nirmal Kapoor.
really cool, pretty cars, fancy people.
ठीक है, चलो coming back. So you could grow up like that, and then you could choose the path of kindness, which he did in Mr. India. So he runs a foster home for like a lot of kids, right? Now, इसका real life example, there is a cafe in Marol. I forget the name. What is it called?
Bombay to Barcelona cafe.
Something, and it is run by somebody who had a very, very tough childhood, and he's built a cafe wherein all these children work. There's a friend of a friend that we know of. She runs a cafe called Marty Cafe.
Mitti.
Mitti
Mitti
cafe.
Mitti cafe.
She employs people who are disadvantaged compared to people like you and me. So point is, you could have a bad childhood and yet you could choose the path of kindness. So तेरा question था अंशिका कि can we grow into kindness? I don't know the answer, but there are definitely examples and cases of people who grew up in bad situations, and they chose the path of kindness compared to the path of retribution or revenge. Now, how did that happen? I don't know the answer. मैंने नहीं किया. मतलब my childhood was very very good. I'm lucky to have had my parents. उन्होंने मेरे को बहुत बढ़िया जीवन दिया है. So मुझे नहीं पता कि खराब से अच्छा कैसे बनते हैं. I can talk about my personal things there. मतलब podcast में ना चीज़ें मतलब secrets come out. I don't like podcasts. Raspy voice. No, when I have a 2 kill list.
I'm aware.
Like most people have.
So is the podcast. हमने 3 बार बात करी इसके बारे में.
But here's the thing, I no longer have it.
Where is it?
Well, I have it, but I no longer have it.
Oh, like that.
I know the people that I want to kill, but I don't want to kill them anymore. माफ किया, जंजीरें जिंदगी.
Did you just get bored of it?
No, I said क्यों मत मैं. They were different people and they did that shit thing to me. I'm a different person now. I'm okay. तो अपनी जिंदगी जी. वो पन्ना फाड़ने वाला एग्जांपल है ना, नत्थू जी का एग्जांपल. That's where it is. पन्ना फाड़ देंगे हम उसका. आगे बढ़ो. मतलब life is too big. Life is too big for me to be guided by that revenge as a motive. I want to rather not focus all my energy into one person and rather focus it on multiple people and make difference to life of those people. मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना, नवल बोलता है, नवल का podcast है, we should do a podcast on Naval's podcast. Wow, podcast का podcast, मेटा का मेटा हो रहा है यहाँ पे. So in one of the things that जो वो क्रिस वाला podcast है उसमें बोलता है वो कि journey is all we have and that's amazing.
Right.
He doesn't say लोग बोलते हैं ना कि journey is the reward and journey में ये journey में ला बहुत बढ़िया. But he articulates it fabulously well. He says, all we have is journey. Okay, all I have right now is you and me and this room and this camera and this sea crew. I have nothing else. I don't care. मतलब मेरी लाइफ में अभी आज की डेट में 4 चीज़ों का स्ट्रेस है. मेरी फटी हुई है बहुत चीज़ों को लेके. But at this point in time, I am super engaged. All I have is this and this. Right को है. Right को will remain permanent.
Yeah.
But point is, this journey is important. And then उसके बाद क्या होगा पता नहीं. And obviously. I can say I'm able to say all of this because of a lot of privilege that I have, that I've earned because of my age and my background and life and etc. And a lot of people listening to this, if they listen to this, if they reach a password is, I don't know, tetrapod. The password tetrapod. If you reach this point,
okay.
If you reach this point, I don't know how many passwords are given out. But point is, a lot of people may not have that luxury. मतलब वो जो SOG grant में जो recipients हैं, मतलब one of the, मतलब it is insane कि मतलब उनके लिए वो लाइफ चेंजिंग पैसा और हमारे लिए वो पैसा मिट्टी है. मतलब वो like it's so difficult to imagine people being able to relate to what I'm saying. So that next question in my raspy voice. I love my raspy voice. I need to practice it. I should do it more often. Ria would be proud of me. Hi Ria, if you're listening to this.
Did Ria get you into this raspy voice?
No,
thing?
she did not.
I
read this today at Warren Buffett's thing. Comment on the Warren Buffett. By the way, I'm that one person that reads all the comments. I see the video.
Everybody reads them.
No, they don't.
Do you read comments?
I do read comments, but everybody doesn't read comments.
They don't.
I also didn't have the habit for the long time.
We are. You know what I'm saying? Like दुनिया में अगर सारे
तो लोग comments नहीं पढ़ते.
नहीं पढ़ते.
तो क्या करते?
Comment पे बताओ कितने लोग comment पढ़ते हैं?
कुछ नहीं. इतना होमवर्क दे दो, कोई नहीं देख रहा हमारा podcast. But okay.
Anyways, so उसमें लिखा था, जोक था कि to become a big person at Berkshire Hathaway you have to have a raspy voice. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett, Ajit Jain and now this guy Abel whatever. So anyways, coming back. अगला सवाल
नहीं, अगला आपको last thought देना है. Last learning lesson that you have had from your 3-hour meandering session on the annual general meeting of Berkshire Hathaway 2025.
I'll end with this. उसमें मतलब ये वॉरेन बफेट के वर्ड्स ही हैं तो मैं उसको रिपीट कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ जी.
It's a very interesting and powerful thing. It also mimics my life philosophy. Sikru is saying कि आगे आओ.
हाँ.
Sikru is disturbing our podcast. Even director ही गलती है ना. Director ने frame ऐसा बनाया कि आदमी बाहर आया. ठीक है.
मैं वो.
हाँ, director. तो one of the questions that somebody asks him कि what would you want to be remembered for? ऐसा कोई क्वेश्चन मुझसे पूछा and obvious answer था. What are the obvious answers that people will say?
What would you want? I don't know. People say their work or how they make people feel, or what else?
Okay,
some ideology.
Okay, wait. I'll not give the answer. We'll watch Warren Buffett.
Then how will we complete this point?
No, I will complete my point. This podcast is about me, not about Warren Buffett.
Okay.
So I want to answer that question. What I want to be remembered for. So, oh, by the way, example, C court में तूने ring ऐसा रखी है ना? You could keep the ring like that, and that could be a
mean a
message
thing.
to the somebody outside.
Understood.
Yeah, bro. Anyways, you've not watched Prison Break when you were a kid.
Oh, I know. It was so sad. I started watching it, and people were living such terrible lives, and
Welcome to real life.
I could not.
Welcome to real life.
I watched that exact prison you're talking about. They were like stacked inhumanly. It was very bad.
No, उनका बेड होता है. इन्हीं क्या उसमें? ट्रेन भी ऐसी होती है. ट्रेन में भी ऐसे स्टैक होते हैं.
But you lived there locked for
ट्रेन में भी
years and
3 दिन
years.
लोग होते हैं. 3 दिन होते हैं उस ट्रेन.
But you can still go out, no?
Where?
Train stations.
ट्रेन चल रही है.
But train stops also, no? Then you can step out and come back.
वहीं पे रहता है बच्चा फिर पीछे. फिर फिल्म बनती है उसकी कि बच्चा रह गया पीछे स्टेशन पे. Anyways. So the question was, what would you want to be remembered for, or something like that. And Warren gave a great answer, and not an answer at the same time. I will not tell you what it was.
Okay.
मुझे याद है.
Okay.
शायद याद भी नहीं है. You never know. You will never know. And he talked about Charlie, and he talked about whatever. So here's my answer.
किसका आंसर?
What you would be remembered for.
अच्छा आपका पर्सनल. ओके ओके मुझे लगा क्यों दे रहे हो?
कौन है वैसे? इनको नहीं आता पॉडकास्ट पे. इनसे नहीं हो रहा. तो the answer is as follows. I don't want to be remembered. मतलब अगर मेरा बस चले तो जिस दिन मैं जाऊँ उस दिन सब गायब कर दो. लाइक शिफ्ट डिलीट दबा दो एंड काम खत्म. बिकॉज वंस आई एम गॉन आई डोंट केयर व्हाट पीपल सी बिहाइंड मी. आई डोंट केयर व्हाट पीपल. हाउ डू आई केयर? मतलब अगर कल तू मेरे को बोल रही है कि ब्रो सौरभ तो ऐसा था,
क्या करूँ मैं उसका? मैं तो मर लिया.
हमें फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा. आई डोंट गेट टू नो. So and this also connects to what Naval was saying, talking about कि all we have is the journey. The journey. There's no reward. There's no. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई रेनबो है उसके एंड पे एक पॉट ऑफ गोल्ड में मिल जाएगा. बिकॉज assuming you get to the pot of the gold, then what happens? Then you make the next rainbow, whatever. But the journey has to be around, and what matters is now, and that's all. I want to do this. So if you want to take one thing away from this adulting podcast that I can, from this episode of adulting podcast, it is forget about those conversations about building a legacy and building a statue for yourself and whatever. Think of the now and focus on that and live life as a series of nows, wherein each now you live to the best of your abilities and intention. That's it.
Follow-up question.
Mic drop. Oh, man.
मुझे पता था. अरे it was a good end, but I have a follow-up question now.
बोलो. इसलिए मैं फेमस नहीं हूँ बच्चों, जो भी सुन रहा है, क्योंकि मैं अच्छी बातें बोलता हूँ. बट
उसके बाद में फिर भी सीटियाँ करती ना कि कमेंट करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, ये सब.
इसमें वैसे बहुत सारे कमेंट. हाँ चल बोल. फॉलोअप क्वेश्चन.
हाँ, फॉलोअप क्वेश्चन ये है कि अगर हमें नाव में रहना है और हमें अपनी लाइफ टिल द एंड ऑफ आवर लाइफ का सोचना है और करना है चीज़ें, व्हाट अबाउट दैट आइडिया ऑफ वांटिंग टू बिल्ड थिंग्स दैट लास्ट? फॉर एग्जांपल लोगों को 100 साल की कंपनी बनानी होती है.
क्या करना होता है? 100 साल की
100 साल, 400
Oh yes,
साल.
C4E has to be like a
right?
C4E has to be an infinite, long, year-long, whatever company.
Yes, but you don't want to be remembered.
For C4E and not me. C4E has to be remembered, not.
So you want your work to be remembered,
Not
but
my
you
work.
don't want.
C4E is not my work. In fact, even today, okay, there are two threads to this question. It's a podcast by itself. Easy for me to answer.
पॉज करके नए एपिसोड में आते हैं.
अगला एपिसोड इंट्रो कर ले. अगले एपिसोड का. No, wait. I'll answer this.
Yeah.
I've not thought a lot about this, but I have an answer to this. So think of these two paths from here on, right? Path A is where I'll talk about C4E and Saurabh and 1,000-year company or whatever. And part 2 in general कि अगला क्या करना है. So the answer is as follows. C4E वाला पार्ट आसान है. C4E में क्या है ना कि क्लीशे आंसर. C4E एक विचारधारा है. For people who don't understand Hindi.
गूगल करो विचारधारा.
C4E एक विचारधारा.
लाइन ऑफ थिंकिंग.
ठीक है.
ये भी हिंदी में आ रहा है, but ठीक है.
So it's a way of living life, and today the expression of that happens to be an agency. Tomorrow the expression of that could be a book. Like think of Gita or Quran or whatever those books were written. Whenever they were written, they were probably guidebooks for people to live their lives with, and those guidebooks became dogmatic with time and with practice. That's a different story altogether. But they were probably written as books to live life with, model code of conducts or whatever, codes of conduct. Sorry, bad English. They were written that. So C4E to me is not a business. C4E to me is not showcase of the capability or the ability or the intention of a Saurabh or a team. C4E is the way to live. Like for example, if I'm saying that C4E to me is not a company, it's a village that I'm trying to build. The village has to be self-sufficient. The self-sufficiency comes from selling our talent as an agency. Tomorrow, the sufficiency could come from donations. For all I care, like tomorrow, Anshika, you could go work with a Unilever and you could donate some money to C4E to sustain. Argument's sake. So that is one way of looking at what Saurabh and C4E is supposed to be. Now, like I said, I've arrested the control of C4E's future into the hands of other futures, मतलब other people who are futures, जिनको एक को हिंदी नहीं आती है, एक को पैसे की वैल्यू नहीं पता है, so whatever, and other jokes apart, but I no longer control the direction or the shape that C4E will take, and which is a difficult thing to do because that's the only thing I've done in life which is worth talking and bragging about. Again, vanity, but anyways, different conversation. But that's me. Coming back. Question दोबारा बोल एक बार, and then I'll give the answer.
We talk a lot about wanting to live the journey and not thinking beyond it. Don't want to build a legacy. अभी जो है बस वही है, live it well and die. But we also talk about building 100-year companies, 400-year companies. How do those
So
things
the answer is as follows. It will be very, very like C4E answer I've given, right? It's the easy answer to explain. Talk.
Yeah.
Wow, raspiness in the voice. I should have more coke. When I record.
No,
क्या?
कोक
I love
से
it.
नहीं हो रहा है वो.
और कैसे हो रहा है?
आप कर रहे हो extra raspy.
नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. I'm talking the way I talk. This
So
is
you
how
should
I
just
talk.
drink some cold
Coke.
water.
Coke. Okay, coming back. So here's the thing. Being in today doesn't mean that you lose the humanness that you have. So for example, what makes us human? Everybody has, if you break us down into whatever shapes, we will be made of carbon and water and nitrogen, पता नहीं क्या क्या. And there is this thing called consciousness that we have, and the consciousness, by the way, they just found out that it resides somewhere in the chota brain, apparently.
Oh.
कल परसों पढ़ा मैंने. We don't know where consciousness is, right? It could be in my gut, it could be in my throat, it could be in my prefrontal cortex, or it could be in my chota brain, but apparently it's somewhere here. I don't know.
Yeah.
I could be wrong, but somewhere I read. Coming back, so we are essentially nothing but consciousness, whatever that English word is. So the raspy voice में नहीं आ रहा वो मुझसे. So point is, what that does is it makes us human. What makes us human is our emotions, the fact that I'm jealous of something, the fact that I'm angry at something, the fact that I'm happy at something, the fact that I'm engaged into something, the fact that I love the touch of somebody's hand on my skin, for example, that the fact that I'm taking notes, it makes me human. So while today in this moment I'm taking notes and I'm engaged with you, I am doing it because I want to A, have a podium for myself, B, I want the world to be a better place in my way. My way is kindness wala tarika, etc. In my way, I'm doing this so that tomorrow I'm able to hire more people who want to work with Saurabh and other people and build Meru and build C4E and build all the other things that I will build. I'm doing it so that my team gets to hear it and they get to know कि मुझे क्या बात करनी है उनको. So there is a reason to it. But when I do that task for the reason, I won't do it with the best of my ability. So think of it like that. If you're a cricketer playing cricket, when you're on the ground, you're playing cricket to the best of your ability. But to be able to play at the best of your ability, you have to do 20 things at the side. You have to take care of your diet, you have to take care of your exercise, you have to take care of your mind. You have to be ensuring that you don't do things that make your teammates uncomfortable, etc. So you're doing all those things to reach to be able to perform at a certain level. So to be able to perform this with you, I needed things. I needed to invest money to buy this mic. I needed to have the AC because I'll melt. I needed this Coke as a prop. So to be able to do, so when I got this Coke, I did it with the best of my intention. So मैं उस moment में उस चीज़ को best चीज़ कर रहा हूँ. And while I'm doing that, I'm not forgetting my humanness. उसमें the only thing that you need to be careful is that it cannot become the larger goal. कि मेरे को famous होना है, मेरे को तारीफ चाहिए, मेरे को बड़ा बनना है. The intention cannot be that. मतलब the intention is कि तारीफ चाहिए, so you've lost the battle already. So if you do a podcast with the sole intention of getting famous, you've lost it. If you do a podcast with the intention of letting the world know about your thoughts, then it's fine, and the world can probably pick it up and not pick it up or whatever. But the intention has to be intention cannot be to just feed your ego and build that into large. So here's the thing: moment ego becomes, oh fuck, what an idea! I got an idea. I'll give you that idea after this. No, I'm okay to use 5 fucks for it, to be honest. But it's that large an idea. I hope I didn't forget it. Wait, I'll not forget it now. Wait, I've forgotten already. I've not forgotten it. Okay, so moment things feed your ego, you need to check yourself.
Yeah.
Now, the idea, the mic drop idea. Whatever you do, if tomorrow that was to brought out in life without your name, will you be okay with that?
What do you mean?
If this podcast was not Anshika Kushwaha, if this podcast was called Adulting
Acha,
Podcast by
Oh, it
Vaishnavi
was-
Single,
So you do things to just do them.
Yeah.
Understood.
if this podcast was called Adulting Podcast by Vaishnavi Single, will you be okay? If you're not okay, then you need to work on yourself. If you're okay, then it's fine. Like tomorrow, if C4E is not by Saurabh, I am absolutely okay with that. I mean,
Understood.
that's my ecosystem, not your ecosystem. So, and you'll probably be able to relate, AK specifically, because other people are not here in this podcast. They don't know me. I mean, C crew can also understand.
Correct.
I'm absolutely okay to not have my name. अभी हमने एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री साइन अप करी है, राइट, जिसमें शायद कुछ एक लोगों का नाम आएगा, कुछ लोगों का नहीं आएगा, whatever reason. But that's where the answer is. Imagine if your name didn't come on the documentary, how would you feel? And उसमें तो तूने काम भी नहीं किया है. Argument से तो पॉडकास्ट में तूने काम किया है.
Correct.
Imagine तेरे नोटपैड से तेरा नाम हटा दिया मैंने.
Ooh.
वैन गो की पेंटिंग वैन गो नहीं होता. How would
हाँ.
Van Gogh feel? He's dead. He cannot feel it. But at that time, how would he feel? If he is indifferent about his name out of Van Gogh's of his painting, then he's okay. If he's not, then he's not. So if whoever is watching, if the best thing that you created in life that is attributed to you, imagine tomorrow it will be attributed to somebody else. Would you still do it with as much love, energy, passion? वो जो भी इंग्लिश होती है आके भर लो, fill in the blanks कर लो. That's the mic drop for me. Second mic drop. Wow.
Good job,
Two mic
Saurabh.
drops.
Yay.
2 mic drops. So you can remove a name from the podcast. You can say
I
LD
can
podcast
think
with.
of some things which I'm okay with.
I'm sure.
Some I'm not.
It's a spectrum, no?
Yeah.
For most people, so it's a spectrum. For some people, they'll be attached to every tiny thing they've done, and for some people, they don't care about it. And on that spectrum, you land somewhere. The intention is to move towards right of that, and a lot of people will be towards the left. As you move towards the right, you'll probably be better, and that's where detachment comes in. Oh wow,
That's
the answer of
where?
life. Detachment.
Oh,
That's-
detachment comes.
That's the answer of life. Cheers. But get
Cheers,
attached to,
spice up.
to Diet Coke. Cheers to Diet Coke.
अभी तो बता दो राइट क्यों रखी थी हमने.
ओ यार पॉडकास्ट खत्म हो गया.
हाँ बस इतना ही है.
रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है ये.
हाँ हो रहा है.
So Warren Buffett के पास कोक रखी रहती है.
हाँ.
Because this episode is going to be about Warren Buffett.
Ah.
I thought हम Diet Coke रखेंगे.
Does he drink it though?
He does.
He does?
He takes like swigs of that during the. In fact, in one of the videos, he talks about Charlie Munger that he never did a single day of voluntary exercise. Warren talks about Charlie.
Why?
Because Charlie was not fit. He said Charlie would eat whatever he wanted to, would not do exercise, would have a lot of coke.
Charlie was
And
never
yet, you know how much he died at.
99
And
something.
And you were sad.
19. So Warren Buffett says that he lived his life to the 19.99% of human potential life.
Oh, like that.
So yeah, that. Chalo, signing off for the day.
थैंक यू दोस्तों. थैंक यू. अरे अरे मत करो, हमें वो सीट ये बोलना होता है कि इफ यू लाइक अ पॉडकास्ट और डोंट
ये
लाइक इट,
सीक्रो चेंज करो. अगला सीक्रो लाओ.
if you like a podcast or don't like it or have any thoughts, comments, questions, doubts, worries, fears, whatsoever,
बट मेरा नाम नहीं है, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मेरा नाम तो नहीं है.
talk to me.
Talk to Anshika.
Talk to me. I take it for the vibe. इस एपिसोड में आपका नाम नहीं डालेंगे.
Oh, good one. That's a good one. And if
Yeah.
you spot my name is missing, comment below.